right now, but I'm about to clean it out a little bit as good as I can. But as y'all can see, I got my peppers coming in. I said I wasn't going to do this, but I think I should. I think that's out of season. I don't know. I think tomatoes like the heat, but hey, let it do what it do. This place need cleaning. I gotta get busy, so I'm gonna put y'all on pause. Okay. All right, so I raked out a little bit of the garden. It looks a little better. I got to fix this over here. But for the most part, I raked out some old leaves, pulled up some old stuff. I don't know if I should pull up these okra plants, but I'm definitely probably need to get some of these peppers out of here. But yeah, all right, there's more to do. This is the last thing I'm gonna do, rake this out, line these up, because I took the gate from around here because I don't think anything is gonna be vining. And I put the kale down right here. I put some carrots down right there. And I put some kale down right here. So yeah. I still have a lot to do. I have to tend to what's in this bucket, but I ain't gonna do that today. Oh, I gotta put these in the sun. Put them back in the sunlight. Pull these sides up because I'm gonna need these. And then I'm gonna be ready to take my butt in the house and chill. So this is how I'm leaving it right now. This is how I'm leaving it right now. Oh, I am very tired. I think I got a lot done today, but it seems like I didn't. But I did. The garden is a bit cleaner. Raked the leaves out. Planted some kale, some carrots. And I gave the peppers some food, some fertilizer. I probably should go ahead and give them all of it, the rest of it. So I'm gonna do, well, I'll just leave it for now. Again, I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but I don't know. Something came over me today, and I wanted to clean out my garden. I needed to exercise for sure. So now when my uncle come and cut the grass, you know, he can get around here. I do have to fix this side right here because it look a hot mess, the okra side, but I'll fix it. Like DZ said, one day at a time, one day at a time. All right, thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Holla at y'all girl.